good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where I have something very interesting for you guys. Hear me out on this one. Exactly 10 years ago, Alfa Romeo announced that it would co-develop a new Spider with Mazda that would be based on the Japanese firm's still secret 2015 MX-5 Miata. But it was a plan that fell apart soon afterwards, and instead of creating the sexy two-seat Alfa Romeo sports car, the world would make a frumpy looking Fiat Abarth 124 Spider that nobody really asked for, which was probably as annoying for Alfa as watching the Dodge Hornet take over the Tonale's Thunder. But the 2015 on-Indy MX-5's visual similarity to the Alfa Romeo's gorgeous 8C Spider, even in its unmodified Mazda form, means that Alfa fans haven't let the idea drop. And we've seen renderings showing how an Indy-based Spider could have looked, but now someone has gone all the way and created a Alfa Romeo Miata that FCA kind of really casted aside. Now, there's not much info on this Spider conversion, which was spotted in the UK and shared by everyone over at MX-5 Owners Club, who were just as baffled as everyone else is seeing this. But an online check of the registration number says that it started life as a 2019 MX-5 Sport Nav Plus and has the entry-level 130 horsepower, 132 PS, 1.5 liter naturally aspirated motor offered in Europe, but not in the North American market. Now, the Mazda's front end is very little changed, but the mods are limited to the classic harp-shaped Duetto Trilobo grille up front and the addition of 2 extra lights in the grille mesh. It looks very similar to a rendering we saw from Andretti's Verse from 2020, actually almost identical. But the other modifications are far more convincing. First, you got a set of wheels with Alfa trademark 5-hole designs, and then you have the fender cutouts that mimics the ones on the 2008 8C. And the rear end is treated to a brand new bumper that relocates the registration plate to a new spot just below the trunk lid, and that trunk lid also appears to have been modified to work with a set of simple circular lights. Now, unfortunately, we don't get a good look inside of the Alfa Miata, but that of an Alfa badge that is engraved in the seat. But what do you think about a home-brewed Alfa MX-5? It's silly to say, but at the same time, what if FCA had greenlit such a conversion instead of the Fiat Abarth? We know if you guys would have taken the 124 Spider's turbocharged multi-air engine or the naturally aspirated MX-5 powertrain that would be on this Alfa Miata. Let me know what you guys think about this one down in the comments below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on this lost Mazda MX-5 Alfa Romeo that we never got a chance to see. And with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down in the description below, where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, my Venmo, and my Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate that extra love and support, guys. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch, just in case you guys want t-shirts, Kango hat, stickers, everything Ron's Rise is there. And I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. See everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, Alfa Romeo, and Fiat, that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.